Student, good morning. I'm here today going to give you some important notes on the topic wave. This is very important topic for the class 10. For the SE purpose, I have made some notes especially belongs to the light, refraction and reflection. So we have some 70 to 80 questions over here which belongs to very short categories. So please look at this notes and write down in your copy. Let's start this notes. Number one, what is light? So the answer is light is a form of energy which gives sensation of vision and electromagnetic radiation which is visible to our eyes. Similarly, second question, name two sources of light. The sun and an electric bulb are two sources of light. Third question, what is refraction of light? Refraction of light is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another medium. So you should write these all questions. I'm going to tell you. State the laws of refraction. We have especially two laws. Out of that, the first law states that the incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. The second law states that the ratio of the sine of the angle of incident to the sine of the angle of refraction is constant. So the next question, define incident ray, normal, reflected ray, angle of incidence, and angle of reflection. So we have answer of this question. The incident ray is the ray of light that falls on a surface. The normal is an imaginary perpendicular line drawn at the point of incident. The reflected ray is the ray of light that bounces back from the surface. The angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. The angle of reflection is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal. Similarly, question number 6. What are reflected ray and angle of refraction? The reflected ray is the ray of light that bounces back from a surface, and the angle of refraction is the angle formed between the refracted ray and the normal. Question number 7. Define emergent ray and emergent angle. So the answer is the emergent ray is the ray of light that comes out of a medium, and the emergent angle is the angle between the emergent ray and the normal. Similarly, question number 8, what is the velocity of light in air and glass medium? So we do not have answer over here. I'll give you answer later. The velocity of light in air and the glass. Question number 9, what is a denser medium and rarer medium? A denser medium is a medium with a higher refractive index, such as glass, while a rarer medium is a medium with a lower refractive index, such as air. What is the relationship between the velocity of light and the refractive index? The refractive index is equal to the ratio of the velocity of light in vacuum to the velocity of light in the medium. So in this way, I have some questions over here. I'm going to tell you the question. Answers are even here. So please note down the answer. Question number 12. What is total internal reflection of light? Similarly, 13. What are the conditions necessary for total internal reflection? Similarly, we have 14. What are the limitations of Snell law? Now the next portion belongs to the light, fibers and dispersion from question number 15 to 19. So the first question, it is very important question from the point of view of examination. What is a light pipe? Why is it used? The answer is a light pipe is a tube that carries light by total internal reflection, and it is used for decoration and light transmission. Similarly, we have one more question. What is optical fiber? So the answer is optical fiber is a thin, flexible glass or plastic fiber that transmits light and is used in internet communication and in medical instrument. It means that we can see this light pipe in endoscopy, colonoscopy, in this type of medical instrument. So the question number 17, what is the relationship among refractive index, real depth and apparent depth? So the answer is the refractive index is equal to the ratio of the real depth to the apparent depth. Similarly, we have some more question like what is dispersion of light, and the question number 19 is what are the seven colors that appear due to dispersion of light? As you know, the short form is Vibgyor. Now, from question number 20 to 25, it belongs to the electromagnetic waves. What are electromagnetic waves? Write with an example. Electromagnetic waves are waves in which electric and magnetic fields vibrate together. And examples include light waves and radio waves. Question number 21. Write down any two properties of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves does not need any medium to travel, and their speed. I'll give you the answer of the speed in vacuum also. So the next question is what is frequency? Write down its SI unit. Next, the other question is what is the relationship between wavelength and frequency? So what is the speed of electromagnetic wave in vacuum? The speed of electromagnetic wave in vacuum. Similarly, we have some more questions here. As I was telling you about the 24 number question, what is the speed of an electromagnetic wave in vacuum? It is 3 lakh kilometer per second. Similarly, we have 25 number questions. 26 to 37, it belongs to instruments and lenses. What is an endoscope? Why is it used? An endoscope is a medical instrument made up of optical fibers, and it is used to see inside the human body. 27, what is a lens? Similarly, 28, define convex lens. The diagram I cannot make here, you have to prefer the notebook. 29, what is concave lens? What is center of curvature? What is principal axis? Define principal focus. What is focal length? Define optical center. What is focusing? What is an image? Name the two types of images formed by lenses. So what is real image? Next question, what is the type of lens which form a real image? 39, what is virtual image? 40, name the types of lens which forms real image. 41, what is an optical instrument? Similarly, 42, what is meant by the defect of vision? 43, what is myopia or short sightedness? 44, what is hypermetropia or far sightedness? 45, write two main causes of hypermetropia. 46, write down the main causes of myopia. 47, what formula is used to find the fluctuation of the shape of a body? Now you can see here many questions are here. I have already uploaded the questions, so please check it out all the questions from here. If you do not know any questions or any answer, if there is any difficulty, then you can comment me and you can ask me. I'm going to give you all the answers of this question at the time also. So please check it out all the questions. So I have uploaded very short and short types questions. Very short questions belongs to the 1 marks and short questions belong to the 2 marks. As you know that there will be total 14 questions in short and 9 questions will be in very short type category. So these are the question I have uploaded, and if there is any confusion you can tell me about the questions. Please prefer this all questions and it will be help you to find out the answer of this question. Thank you.